In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a service in your QuickBooks Online account, managing your products and services effectively within QuickBooks. Online is essential for keeping your financial data organized and up to date. Whether you're looking to streamline your offerings or simply tidy up your records, learning how to make services inactive is a straightforward process that can bring significant benefits. To begin this task, the first thing you'll need to do is open the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and at the main dashboard, you'll find that QuickBooks is designed with user-friendly navigation in mind, which will make this process even easier for you. Next, you need to click on the My Apps section, which is your gateway to all applications associated with your QuickBooks account. From here, navigate to the Sales and Get Paid section. This part of the platform is dedicated to everything involving your sales transactions and getting paid promptly by your clients. Within Sales and Get Paid, you will find an option labeled Products and Services. Click on this, as it is the hub of all the products and services you have listed within your QuickBooks account. Here, you will gain a comprehensive view of everything you're offering or have offered. This list encompasses all current and former offerings, making it a vital area for inventory management and financial tracking. In this area, you will see all your products and services displayed neatly. With this view, it's easier to identify which services you might want to delete or make inactive, depending on your current business needs. If your goal is to keep your records up to date without deleting everything entirely, making a service inactive is a great option. To proceed with deactivating a service, locate the specific service you are interested in altering. Next to the service, you'll see a small arrow pointing downward. This arrow is the key to accessing a drop-down menu containing several options for managing that specific item. Click on this arrow to reveal these choices. Among the options presented, you'll find one labeled Make Inactive. Select this option to deactivate the service. By making a service inactive, you're effectively removing it from active listings, but it's not gone for good. This action ensures that all historical data associated with the service is preserved, allowing you to reactivate it if needed in the future. And there you have it. Deactivating a product or service in QuickBooks Online is as simple as that. This process allows you to maintain a streamlined and organized account, ensuring that only your active offerings are displayed, which in turn helps prevent any confusion or clutter in your records. Remember, keeping your products and services list current is crucial for accurate financial reporting and a smooth-running business.